Hello students, today we are going to learn next point, touching circles. Now if two circles in a same plane having one point common, then there are, if two circles like this type of circle is called these two circles touching internally. जर हे सर्कल बाहेरून एकमेकाला टच होत असतील तर त्याला म्हणतात these two circles are touching externally. म्हणजे आतील बाजूला टच होत असतील तर टचिंग इंटरनली, बाहेरील बाजूला टच होत असतील टचिंग एक्सटर्नली. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, theorem of touching circles. Theorem of touching circles. If two circles touch each other, suppose these two circles touch each other at a point, suppose this point is P. Their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. Suppose A and B are centers of two circles. These two circles touch each other externally. Their point of contact is P. This lies on this line. दोन सर्कल ज्या पॉइंट मध्ये टच होतात तो पॉइंट त्या दोन सर्कलच्या सेंटरला जोडणारी लाईन त्या लाईन वरती असतो. दिस इज द थिअरम ऑफ टचिंग सर्कल्स. नाउ वी सी एक्झाम्पल्स इन प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2. Practice set 3.2. Question number 1. Two circles having radii 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter and 4.8 centimeter touch each other internally, Find the distance between their centers. आपल्याला दोन सर्कल दिले. टू सर्कल्स हॅव्हिंग रेडी 3.5 सेंटीमीटर अँड 4.8 सेंटीमीटर. दोन सर्कल त्यांच्या रेडियस दिले. टच ईच अदर इंटरनली. These two circles touch each other internally. The distance between find the distance between their centers. Suppose these two circles touch internally. आणि आपल्याला माहित आहे if two circles touch internally, then distance between their center is equal to difference between their radii. By using this, we can solve this problem. Write down. First, we consider let the radii touching circles, B, R1 and R2. Here R1 is equal to 3.5 centimeter, R2 is equal to 4.8 centimeter. R2 is equal to 4.8 centimeter. We have given values of R1 and R2. Now these two circles touch each other internally, touching internally. These two circles touching internally, therefore by theorem of touching circles, the centers and their radii are collinear. सेंटर, दोन्ही सर्कलचे सेंटर आणि their touching circles, their centers and their touching their point of contact and their point of contact are collinear. Therefore, the distance between their centers, the distance between their centers is equal to, here R2 is greater than R1, therefore write down R2 minus R1. Now put values. R2 is 4.8 minus R1 is 3.5 is equal to 1.3 centimeter. Therefore, the distance between their centers is equal to 1.3 centimeter. Question number 2. Question number 2. Two circles of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter touch each other externally find the distance between their centers. आपल्याला दिलाय two circles of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter. दोन सर्कलचा रेडियस दिली. टच each other externally टच होतात. आपण पाहिलं इंटरनली टच होत असतील तर distance between their center is equal to difference between their radii. आणि externally touching होत असतील तर distance between their centers is equal to sum of their radii. By using this, first we consider let the two circles, the two touching circles having radii R1 and R2. We consider let the two touching circles having radii R1 and R2. Here R1 is equal to, value of R1 is 5.5 centimeter and R2 is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Now these two circles touch each other externally. Now these two circles touch each other externally. Therefore by theorem of touching circles, their centers and the point of contact are collinear. Means these two circles touching externally, their centers and point of contact, these three are collinear. एकाच रेषेवर आहे. Therefore the distance between their centers difference between their centers is equal to now these two circles touching externally touch होत असतील, the distance between their center equal to sum of their radii, that is equal to R1 plus R2. Now put values. R1 is 5.5 centimeter plus R2 is 4.2 is equal to 9.7 centimeter. This is difference between their radii is equal to 9.7 centimeter. Question number 3. Write down question number 3. If radii of two circles are 4 centimeter and 2.8 centimeter, draw figure of these circles touching each other Number 1, externally. Number 2, internally. आपल्याला दिलाय if radii of two circles are 4 cm and 2.8 cm, दोन सर्कलची रेडियस दिली. Draw the figure. We have to draw the figure of these touching circles, these two circles touching each other. First, externally. Now we write first the two circles touching externally. The two circles touching externally. Now, two circles touching externally. We have given radii of first circles is 4 cm. First, draw circle of radius 4 cm. आपण इथं फिगर कंपासचा वापर न करता आपण काढतो. फक्त लक्षात घ्या, सर्कल रेडियस किती दिली? फर्स्ट सर्कलची 4 cm. Radii of two circles 4 cm and 2 cm. We have to draw these two circles touching externally. म्हणजे बाहेरील बाजूने हा दुसरा सर्कल टच करतो. Radius of this circle is 2.8 cm. Suppose this A, B. This point is P. This is the figure of touching circles externally. Number 2, the two circles touching internally. Two circles touching internally. इंटरनल टच होत असतील तर आतील बाजूने सर्कल टच होतं. अगोदर काय ठरवलं लागेल? A circle with radius 4 cm. 4 cm रेडियस असलेलं सर्कल काढावं लागेल. दुसरा सर्कल काय? 2.8 cm. These two circles touching internally. Suppose this is A, this center is B, and this touching point of contact is P. This distance is of 2.8 cm. This radius AP is 4 cm. For second circle, radius BP is 2.8 cm. This is the figure of these two circles touching internally. Question number 4. Write down. Question number 4. In the figure, the circles with centers P and Q, the circles with centers P and Q, the circles with centers P and Q touch each other at R. Touch each other at R. Touch each other at R. A line passing through R meets the circles R meets the circles at A and B respectively. A and B respectively. Prove that number 1, segment AP parallel to segment BQ. Number 2, triangle APR similar to triangle RQB. And number 3, find angle RQB if angle PAR is equal to 35 degree. Now here draw the figures. Suppose this is first circle. This is the second circle. P, Q are center of circles. This point is A. This intersecting touching point is R. This point is B. आपल्याला दिलाय the circles with center P and Q. Circles with center P and Q touch each other at point R. A line passing through R. Meets the circle at A and B, at points A and B respectively. Prove that. First we have to prove segment AP parallel to segment BQ. We have to prove this. आता हे कसं प्रूव्ह करता येईल पहा. Now by theorem P dash R dash Q, therefore by theorem of touching circles, these 3 points are collinear. Now here in triangle PAR, the PA is equal to segment PA congruent to segment PR. हे दोन कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत म्हणजे त्याच्या अपोजिट अँगल्स इक्वल असतील. हे दोन अँगल इक्वल आहेत. सिमिलरली इन ट्रायंगल QRB, ह्या ट्रायंगल मध्ये हे दोन रेडियस ऑफ सेम सर्कल, therefore these two are congruent. हे दोन इक्वल आहेत म्हणजेच ह्या दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील. First is these two angles are congruent. Second, these two angles are congruent. आणि third equation is हे दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील. Therefore from 1, 2 and 3 these two angles are congruent and these two angles are alternate angles. This is a transversal. These two are lines. Therefore these two are alternate angles. Therefore by alternate angle test these two angles are congruent. दोन congruent असतील तर alternate angle test न काय होईल, ह्या दोन लाईन पॅरलल येतील म्हणजे फर्स्ट प्रूव्ह होईल. सेकंड आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे ट्रायंगल PQAPR सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल RQB. आता यामध्ये पहा फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड ह्या दोन्ही मधून हे दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत, हे दोन कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत म्हणजेच काय म्हणता येईल आपल्याला, हे दोन कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत, हे दोन कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत म्हणजे दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट असतील तर बाय ए टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलरिटी these two triangles are similar. नंतर दिलंय फाइंड RQB आपल्याला ही व्हॅल्यू काढायची. दिलेली व्हॅल्यू कोणती? PAR हा अँगल आपल्याला 35 डिग्री दिलाय. बाय गिव्हन इक्वेशन आपल्याला माहित आहे हे दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत, हे दोन कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत, म्हणजेच ह्या तिन्हीच्या ह्या सर्वांच्या व्हॅल्यू किती येतात? 35 डिग्री. आणि इन ट्रायंगल QRB यामध्ये सम ऑफ ऑल अँगल ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. त्यावरून आपल्याला ह्या अँगलची किंमत काढता येईल. या पद्धतीने आपल्याला सोडवता येईल. नाउ नंबर 1, write down in number 1 P'(R'(Q) P'(R'(Q) by theorem of touching circles. By theorem of touching circles. Now, in triangle PAR, segment PA congruent to segment PR, segment PA congruent to segment PR. Therefore, these two are congruent. Therefore, angle PAR congruent to angle PRA. This is number 1. Also, in triangle QRB, QR segment QR congruent to segment QB, segment QR congruent to segment QB. Write down in bracket. Here also write down in bracket radii of same circle. Here radii of same circle. Therefore, these two are congruent. Therefore, angle QRB congruent to angle QBR. This is number 2. And angle PRA congruent to angle QRB. And angle PRA congruent to angle congruent to angle QRB. This is number 3. These two are congruent vertically opposite angles. Write down in bracket. Since vertically opposite angles, therefore from 1, 2 and 3 हे दोन अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत, हे दोन कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत आणि हे दोन कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत. Therefore from 1, 2 and 3 these two angles are congruent. Therefore from 1, 2 and 3 we can write angle PAR congruent to angle QBR. यालाच कसं लिहिता येतं? PAR ला असं लिहिता येईल PAB, that is angle PAB congruent to angle QBR याला काय लिहिता येईल QBA. Now these are alternate angles, therefore by alternate angles test, segment PA or segment AP parallel to segment BQ. alternate angle congruent असतील तर ह्या दोन लाईन पॅरलल असतील. segment AP parallel to segment